Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a Google Sheets file as view only. So here I'm going to set this file as view only. First, let's open the file. And after the file is open, you can see now this file is currently private to only me. So to make it as a view only, let's go to share and I'm going to share it with my friends, but I'm going to set it as view only. Okay, so this is the share option. Here I'm going to find my friends first, for example, this one. And here you can choose to notify them or not. Before you click on send, you need to make sure that the role is viewer to make it as view only. Now click on send. And that's it. When your friends open the file, it will be set as view only. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.